This is the Thor 5 Pro. It's an Android standalone smartwatch phone. Bing! With face unlock. It just unlocked my watch with my face. You've got all the standard information you see on an Android 7.1.1 watch, including cleaning up the background information and a music player. Weather's on there as well. You've got notifications if they're pushed from your phone to your watch. You've got all kinds of apps in here, and you've got fitness information as well. In addition to all of this, you have your step count, calories burned, distance traveled, all on one screen, and a weekly average right here. Now, check this out. If you go into the settings, which is right here, and you go into the display, you can turn on always time. And when you have always time turned on, your watch face, when your watch time's out or you turn it off, will pop back up into an ambient display, and that is always on. When you tap to get out of it, bring up your default watch face, touch it, and either input your pattern or have it unlock automatically with face unlock. It's a very robust, very sophisticated 5-megabyte camera here, another one there. Beautiful band. On the inside, it's TPU, and on the outside, leather, and it ships with two bands, a brown one and a black one. It's the Thor 5 Pro. Check it out.